Morning children. Okay, I am back and today we are going to do part 3 chapter 1 English 1 standard 4 the fading glory of the earth. Now we are doing part 3. Okay, so far we have completed the lesson and some activities. Now we are doing this activity 5. Okay, what will you do to conserve and protect our earth? हमारे अर्थ को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? Some table is given. We will solve the table. Observe the following table and take the desirable options. Also mention how you would contribute to better earth, better we movement. Okay, this is the question. 3 columns are given. Save water, we have to save water, save trees, save animals and birds. भी हमको क्या करना है, हमको ठीक लगेगा तो yes, no, क्या कर सकते हैं वो क्वेश्चन का हमको आंसर लिखना है. Okay, so we will do this. First is save water. We have to save water or not? Yes. So the answer will be yes. If we not save water, then we will be in trouble. Okay. So save water, we have to put yes. You can put tick mark also. Okay. If yes, what will you do to save water? अगर आपने हाँ किया तो पानी को सेव करने के लिए हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? So I have written the answer. First, don't waste water. You should not waste the water. Second, don't keep the water tap open. नल को खुला रखना नहीं चाहिए. आपका काम खत्म हो जाता है, then you can close the tap. Okay. Then unnecessarily हमको पानी को वेस्ट करना नहीं चाहिए. You should not waste the water unnecessarily. Okay. So this is the answer for the first column. Now we will pass on to second. Save trees. We have to save trees or not? Yes. We have to save the trees. So the answer is yes. So put tick mark on yes. Then we will pass on to the third column. If yes, what will you do to save trees? अगर हाँ है तो ट्रीज को सेव करने के लिए हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? फर्स्ट, डोंट कट द ट्रीज को काटना नहीं चाहिए. ओके. इफ एनीबडी कट द ट्रीज, स्टॉप देम. टेल देम नॉट टू कट द ट्रीज. यू जस्ट politely tell them not to cut the trees and tell them the importance of trees. Students can do this. Okay. Now then, what is the other way? Plant more trees. आपको ज्यादा trees plant करना चाहिए. I have told you the Earth Day is there. On that day you can plant trees. Environment Day is there. You can plant more trees, right? When your birthday is there, you can plant one tree, one plant. So in that way you can plant more trees. Okay? And tell your colleagues also, your friends also the benefits of planting the trees. Okay? Now the third column. Save animals and birds. We have to save the animals and birds also. Now they are going extinct. We have to save or not? Yes, we have to save the animals and birds. If yes, what will you do to save them? क्या करना चाहिए हमको उनको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए? Don't hunt the animals. Hunting should be prohibited. Okay? You just go and see the animal, enjoy them. Don't harm them. Don't treat it badly. उनके साथ बुरा व्यवहार नहीं करना चाहिए. You love the pets. love the animals. Okay, give love to them. Don't harm them. Okay, so these are the three methods to conserve and protect our earth. I hope you have understood these three columns. Save water, save trees, save animals and birds. Okay, now did you know? The column is given here. I will read out and explain. Environmentalism is a very important political and social movement. Its goal is to protect nature by emphasizing the role of nature in protection of the environment in combination with various actions and policies oriented to nature preservation. It is a movement that works towards maintaining a balanced environment. आपको पता है एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए बहुत सारे स्टेप्स लिया गया है. पॉलिटिकली भी सोशल मूवमेंट्स बनाया गया है. पॉलिटिकल यानी क्या है? आई विल एक्सप्लेन. पॉलिटिकल मीन्स collective attempt by a group of people to change our policy. हमारी पॉलिसी चेंज करने के लिए ग्रुप अटेम्प्ट है so that we can change the policies of the government and the society also. Okay, and उसका गोल क्या है? नेचर को केयर करना है. That is the main goal. Okay, then we have to protect the environment. That is the best policy. Then and वो नेचर को बैलेंस करने में हमको मदद करता है, हेल्प करता है. ओके, वी हैव टू बैलेंस द नेचर. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज द वर्क ऑफ एनवायरमेंटलिज्म. ओके, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. डिड यू नो पार्ट? ओके, नाउ we will pass on to activity 6. Some pictures are given. Observe the picture and relate the sentence to the pictures respectively. Justify your selection of the sentence and its relation to the picture in groups. ग्रुप में तो अभी काम नहीं कर सकते, इंडिविजुअली आपको ये काम करना है. वाटर का पिक्चर है, यहाँ पर डस्टबिन का है. द बॉय इज थ्रोइंग द डस्ट इन द गार्बेज इन द डस्टबिन. देन नेचर इज गिवन हियर, ट्री इज गिवन हियर. सो यू हैव टू मेक सम सेंटेंसेस, सम प्रोवर्ब्स, कहावत है, उसके बारे में जो भी वर्ड्स है, सेंटेंसेस है, यू कैन राइट. ओके, फर्स्ट इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर व्हाट वी कैन राइट. पानी को खुला छोड़ दिया है, तो what we can write? Don't waste water or save water. Here it is written, save water, save life. If you save water, you can save the life. Then make everyday earth day. How? By keeping our surrounding clean. Garbage को डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए. That everybody should learn. And you children can teach others also. Okay, then nature, nurture the nature. You have to take care of the nature. Nature is very beautiful, you can see. उसको केयर करना है, प्रोटेक्ट करना है. That is our duty. Then tree, plant a tree so that next generation can get air freely. ओके, आप हमारे जनरेशन, जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन को एयर फ्रीली यानी फ्री ऑफ पोल्यूशन मिल सकता है. सो एवरीबडी शुड प्लांट अ ट्री. सो दीज आर द 4 पिक्चर्स एंड आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड द 4 पिक्चर्स. ओके, द लेसन इज ओवर. नाउ व्हाट विल आई डू? I will explain you some hard words and the related meanings to you. Okay? First of all, fade. Fade means gradually disappear. Fade means gradually disappear. I will write it down. धीरे धीरे रिड्यूस होता जाता है. Then glory means pride or great beauty. Third, nurture. I told you, care and protect. Okay, now fourth, invent. न्यू क्रिएशन, कुछ नया क्रिएट करना, न्यू क्रिएशन. फिफ्थ वन, कंफर्टेबल. Which gives us comfort, enjoyment, that is enjoyable. Which reduce our work. Okay. And sixth, realize. To know what we did. Seven, nature, kudrati, God gift. Then damage, नुकसान पहुंचाना, which harms, right? Flora, I told you, is a plant life. Fauna, animal life, right? Now, toxic. Toxic means poisonous, जहरीले पदार्थ. Pollutant, the things which pollute the air, land and water, that is dirty things. Expensive, very costly, कीमती. Then extinct. Animals and birds are getting extinct, dead. Okay. Predict, to guess. Predict करना, guess करना. 16, ample, enough, more, ज़्यादा. Pleasant, very nice. Irritating, irritating यानी जो हमको गुस्सा दिलाता है, making angry. Depletion means decrease. Okay. Now 20 is aware, जागरूक करना, careful. आपको careful रहने को बोलना, right? Now 21, I will write here. 21 is contribute. to donate, कुछ देना, or to give. 22, emphasize. Emphasize means give more attention. Justify means to prove. कुछ prove करना होता है, that is called justify. Then 24, the last one is oriented. किसी के ऊपर फोकस करना, ध्यान दोहराना, that is called to focus. So these are the hard words and these are the meanings. You have to copy down in your notebook, okay, and just study one time and write 2 or 3 times in the CW notebook, okay. Till then, take care of yourself, okay. Bye bye.